What's the meaning of croaky? Croaky. Croaky.
Croaky. Croaky. The word croaky usually refers to a voice that is rough, hoarse, or raspy. It can be caused by various factors such as illness, smoking, or overuse of the voice. When someone has a croaky voice, their vocal cords are not vibrating smoothly and causing a disruption in the sound production. This can result in a strained or uncomfortable sensation when speaking or singing. People with a croaky voice may find it difficult to speak loudly or for extended periods of time, and may require rest and hydration to improve their vocal quality.